in the most easy to understand language, what is branding? What is brand communication?
Ultimately, for anything, there's sales. For branding, also comes to sales. Marketing also comes to sales. But marketing is more now.
Do you think that these cultural stories matter even today for the branding stories that you build?
For an Indian brand, you can't really take out the cultural. सब कुछ ना कुछ तो निकलता ही है. As a brand की कॉफ़ी का मग है, सिर्फ कॉफ़ी का मग बोल के बेचने से ज़्यादा अच्छा याद रहता है कि उसके पीछे कहानी क्या है.
A lot of designers, if I say graphic designers for that matter, they try to move away from designing for the social media.
ग्राफिक डिज़ाइनर जो कि सिर्फ स्टैटिक करता है, उसके लिए थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है. It's not that it's not doable, it's not that static posts are not doing well.
Can you give me a few examples specifically where you had a big win and where there was a failure? Welcome to Journeys Unmapped, a place where we go deeper into the real conversations with our guests about their success in their career. A place where we go deeper into understanding the real stories of their struggles. Our guest today is none other than the person who motivated to start the podcast itself, Ms. Asha Kumari, a senior leader in the branding and communication space. Welcome, Asha, to the show. I'm so delighted to have you here. Please help me understand who Asha is, and my audience would like to know your career journey, like where you started from and what you are currently doing.
Okay, so I've done fashion communication from NIFT. And I started my first job as a fashion journalist. So I had interned with Femina Bombay, and then Bombay jama nahi zyada. It was a beautiful place. The office was very nice. Got to learn so much. But I think in the 4 years of college in Delhi, I was almost in love with Delhi, and I constantly had to keep coming back to Delhi. So I came back to Delhi, took up a journalism job in Delhi itself. So I was working with Images Multimedia, and they had a licensee for a number of international magazines. One of them was Business of Fashion, and एक नई उनको मिली थी Sportswear International India. These were all international magazines जिनका licensee इनके पास था यहाँ. So and I was writing for both of them. Images, but both of them were very strategically different tone and style of magazines. Images, a Business of Fashion was more about stats and what people are buying, कि किस तरह का business हो रहा है fashion shows में, fashion weeks में कौन buyers आते हैं. And Sportswear International India was more of a lifestyle magazine. So they would talk about style, silhouettes, more of day wear, casual, relaxed wear, comfort wear. So it was more flowery, more stylish, more trend. And Business of Fashion was more very business concentrated.
So one was very colorful,
very stylish,
and one was very
a
boring.
little boring, which kept off stats. And coming from a college that is creative and more की design में ऐसे इतना ये हो रहा है, वो करना है, ये करना है. So Sportswear International India was something that I wanted to work on or felt more closer. लेकिन Business of Fashion वाले में करके ना eventually इतना मज़ा आने लगा. ये तो सोचा ही नहीं कि हाँ डिज़ाइनर्स आर इन्वेस्टिंग सो मच कि वो एक फैशन शो करने में जितना भी उस टाइम पे आई थिंक इट यूज्ड टू कॉस्ट देम सम 3 लाख 4 लाख कि एक शो होगा प्लस एक स्टॉल होगा. एंड देन द नंबर ऑफ बायर्स कि मिडिल ईस्ट से बायर्स आते हैं, यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ यूके बायर्स, यू हैव ऑल्सो हैव अ जापानीज बायर्स, बट द मेजर चंक ऑफ मनी दैट द डिज़ाइनर्स अर्न कम्स फ्रॉम मिडिल ईस्ट बायर्स. ये सब एकदम नई इंफॉर्मेशन, नई चीज़. यूरोपियन एंड यूके वाला मार्केट किस तरह के डिज़ाइनर्स को पसंद करता है, मिडिल ईस्ट वाले बायर्स किस तरह के डिज़ाइनर्स पसंद करते हैं. सो मिडिल ईस्ट वुड बी मोर आर टेस्ट. उनको चाहिए थोड़े से गोटा पत्ती, जरियाँ, डायमंड्स, इट शुड बी ऑल ब्लिंग एंड शाइनी. सो अ लॉट ऑफ डिज़ाइनर्स वुड फ्लरिश विद मिडिल ईस्ट बायर्स.
Lovely.
तो ये सब पहली बार पता चल रहा है. यू डोंट गेट टू नो ऑफ दिस इन कॉलेज वाइल यू आर इन कॉलेज. वहाँ पे तो आप यू लर्निंग अबाउट ट्रेंड्स, फैशन शो के सामने क्या हो रहा है, how to dissect a trend, how to dissect a trend directly from the runway, कि ये सिल्हूट फैशन में है, ये कलर फैशन में है, ये फैब्रिक फैशन में है, कि इस बार ट्यूल चल रहा है, इस बार नेकलाइंस प्लंज वी नेकलाइंस, स्लीव्स ऐसी हो रही हैं, लेकिन यू नेवर गेट टू नो कि क्यों, मतलब ये बन तो रहे हैं, बिकते कहाँ हैं, सिर्फ फोटो खिंचवाने के लिए तो नहीं बन रही है. सो दैट वाज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग कि मन तो था, मतलब मुझे पता था कि स्पोर्ट्स वेयर इंटरनेशनल शुड बी देयर, वो इज माई स्टाइल, बट इट वॉज सो मच इंफॉर्मेटिव एंड ऑल्सो सेटिस्फाइंग टू नो कि बिजनेस what happens behind it. So that was interesting. I did it for a while. Then I moved on to a digital magazine, which is called fashionfad.in.
So basically, from the print
On
media,
print media.
you went to digital media.
Digital
so
fashion.
How was that?
एक तो आई थिंक इट वॉज द अराउंड दैट वॉज द फर्स्ट डिजिटल मैगजीन. एक और थी उसके पहले चल रही थी स्टाइल कैंडी करके, बट स्टाइल कैंडी वॉज वेरी मास market style. The way they were, whereas कि इस celebrity ने ये पहना, yeah, this is a celebrity faux pas, this is something. It was more celebrity और बहुत ज़्यादा fashion fad. एक तो I joined them before it was launched. So I had a lot of say in how the style should be, how the outlook of the magazine would be. It was more serious fashion, in the sense it was not just about which celebrity fell wearing what dress and whose heel broke. It was more what goes behind a design, what is the current trend right now, how does the European trends interpret in India. तो इंडियन फैशन में क्या हो रहा है, इंडियन फैशन डिज़ाइनर्स व्हाट दे थिंक, तो उनके बहुत, सो इट हैड मल्टीपल सेक्शंस, ट्रेंड रिपोर्ट्स, डिज़ाइनर इंटरव्यूज़, मॉडल इंटरव्यूज़, इंडियन मॉडल्स, and sometimes the models were very challenging. So I had interviewed a very big model, I think Tinu Varghese. At that time, she was a huge model. And when I had sent out a questionnaire to her, she said no, I had asked her for an interview. So she said, first send me a questionnaire. Only if I like it, I will answer it. I don't want to answer what I eat, what exercise do I do. If they are thoughtful enough, about me, only then. And I sent her a questionnaire and she liked it. And at that time she was also, apart from her modeling, I think she was doing some farming or something like that. So I read up on her, what she does, what she enjoys. And there was this elaborate interview that I did with her and she liked that interview.
So
and she
if I
did that.
understand, your preparation for even just an interview
written interviews
was really taken very well by the person or the guest.
Yeah, that was there. For some brands or designer brands that I did, a lot of them would be like, you write what you want, or I don't know what to say. And it was very heartwarming that whatever I wrote, they said, I think I could not have put in better words. The way you have described me is like, हाँ मैं बोलना तो यही चाहता था लेकिन मैं बोल नहीं पाता. It was good कि तुमने मुझसे नहीं पूछा या मैंने तुम्हें कुछ नहीं बताया. So you understood my brand just by looking at it.
Yes, I think organically when you try to understand a person
शायद
from a different perspective, where you don't get a kind of feeder that ऐसे मेरे को perceive करो.
हाँ, कि बनाने वाले ने तो बना दिया ब्रांड, लेकिन उसको कैसे लोग समझ रहे हैं, उसको देख के क्या लगता है, that is more important while you are building a brand. So I think that is where I realized somewhere on my way कि I understand brands. I immediately, if I like a brand, or I understand what is their point of view and also how it is perceived. And I can add that charm. अगर कहीं पे कुछ missing है कि वो communicate, उसने सोचा तो वो है, ये सब चीज़ें हैं, and if he's not able to communicate it, that is something that I can blow up for that person. वो जो गैप्स हैं या वो जो बताना चाह रहा है वो नहीं बता पा रहा है, उसको ब्रेक डाउन करके उसको बड़ा, हाउ डू आई पेंट अ लार्जर देन लाइफ पिक्चर और एन इमेज और अ स्टोरी दैट कनेक्ट्स विद इट्स कंज्यूमर. पर वो marrying the brand with the correct consumer is something I realized that I understand during these brand stories that I wrote, I spoke, I interviewed.
Let me break this for a while and go deeper into what exactly this branding and brand communication all about, because my audience who watches these kind of videos, they want to get to know about these careers altogether. So that's where I would really appreciate if you can help me understand in the most easy to understand language, what is branding, what is brand communication.
So, branding and marketing, which is all I'm always confused a little. Branding is your long haul game. Marketing is immediate. Ultimately, for anything, there's sales. For branding, also comes to sales. Marketing also comes to sales. But marketing is more now. Ye campaign, I design a campaign maybe for a week, month. It earlier used to be months. Now the time keeps shortening as your different digital media platforms come into place. But then marketing is very कि एक महीने में इस तरह से campaign we plan कि I'll have these sales. Branding is what you build to a certain extent कि जिससे लोग relate कर पाए. This is my brand. This is a brand that understands me. ये वाला ब्रांड है जो जिसके पास मेरे पसंद की चीज़ें होती हैं. ये वाला ब्रांड है जिसको I'll wear it for a particular event. ये वो ब्रांड है जो मुझे लगता है कि it projects me better. That is branding. When I'm able to make that connection कि consumer can start saying कि हाँ ये मेरा वाला ब्रांड है, it understands me, it works for me, it बढ़िया लगता है उसको.
So basically,
उसको
how
होता हुआ
people
देख के.
perceive
Your
a
brand.
company is the
Branding.
branding, right?
And it's a long haul, it's a loyalty building program. मुझे अच्छा लगता है, I'll go back again and again to that brand कि मुझे कुछ कभी भी कुछ चाहिए तो I'll buy from that brand.
Lovely. So you have spent a long time in fashion and lifestyle. But now if I know, you actually take care of, and you have been taking care of for a very long time, the education space. You have been building the brand of a education institution. How that shaped up? That's first question. And second is, why did you even in the first place went to education from a so flashy world of fashion?
I think no, I have always been extremely curious and I love learning new things. So I enjoy newer challenges. So when I made that move from a print magazine to a digital magazine, that was also very new. From a digital magazine to e-commerce platforms. So after the digital magazine, I moved on to Fashion and You and Zoe. The Fashion and You again was one of the very first few online selling platforms in India. This was, I mean, way before Amazon came into the market. And it was an extremely challenging sphere, growing sphere, and also a place, a platform where the communication had needed to be learned at both ends, the sellers and the buyers. Buyers also did not know कि online कैसे खरीदें. बेचने वालों को भी नहीं इतना पता है, वो भी सीख रहे हैं कि बेचने में कैसे क्या चाहिए. फॉर वेरी छोटा एग्जांपल इज कि फैब्रिक इंफॉर्मेशन आप जब स्टोर पे खरीदने जाते हो तो वहाँ पे आपको ये ज़्यादा क्या ही बोलेगा, कुछ बोल दिया कॉटन है नहीं है, कई बार नहीं भी बोलते, ये डिज़ाइन देखिए ले लीजिए. दैट इज़ हाउ वी वर बाइंग ऑल दीज ईयर्स. और देख करके आपको समझ में आ जाता है कॉटन है, सिल्क है, विस्कॉस या जो भी लग रहा है कि ट्रांसपेरेंट है. लेकिन व्हेन यू सेल इट ऑनलाइन, you had to give that information. And in the initial days when you like Fashion You used to bring big brands, UCB leke aa raha hai, Ginny Johnny for kids, or there was a brand called FC UK, French Connection at that time. So big brands, but brands since they were not selling online in India, उनका भी बहुत पुराना 1-2 साल पुराना आउट ऑफ सीजन माल जो शायद सेल्स में भी खत्म, सेल्स से भी नहीं बिका था, वो पूरा स्टॉक था. The merchandisers used to go to these big brands and ask them कि कुछ दे दो, बड़ा ब्रांड है तो हमें ये दे दो कोई भी, तो वो पुराना स्टॉक उठा के दे देते. उसकी कोई इन्वेंट्री में कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन, कहीं पे कोई पर्चा नहीं है जिसमें इन्फॉर्मेशन लिखा हुआ इस स्टाइल में ये फैब्रिक है, ये है, फलाना है, ढिमकाना है. अब इसको बेचना ऑनलाइन, यू डोंट नो व्हाट फैब्रिक इट इज. किसी ने सोचा ही नहीं कि फैब्रिक इन्फॉर्मेशन डालनी चाहिए. नेक, हाउ डीप इज द नेक, हाइट कितनी है, क्योंकि अब वो मॉडल पे शूट हो रहा है, 6 फीट की मॉडल है, उसके ऊपर दिख रहा है घुटने के ऊपर जा रहा है. आई एम 5'3", अ पर्सन लाइक मी इज 5'3", मुझे तो वो लोट रहा है वो ड्रेस. हाउ डू यू मेक दिस क्लियर? अब वो दुकान में खरीदने जाता है तो इंसान पहन के देख लेता है, बट when you're buying it online, so this was an education from the seller's point of view. There were huge returns, so we realized why are these returns happening. हमने खुद बैठ बैठ के रिटर्न्स और वाई इन लोगों को कॉल कर करके पूछा है क्या हो गया, एंड देन वी स्टार्टेड कि भाई चलो ब्रांड नहीं दे रहा है बट नथिंग गोज ऑनलाइन ऑन द प्लेटफॉर्म विदाउट वी पुट दिस इंफॉर्मेशन. मटेरियल क्या है, लेंथ क्या है, नेक लाइन क्या है, नेक डीप कितना है. सिमिलरली फॉर ज्वेलरी, कि ज्वेलरी में हुप्स ड्रॉप कितना कर रहे हैं. तो दिस वॉज अ लर्निंग फ्रॉम अ सेलर्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू एज वेल एज बायर्स. बायर्स को भी वो नहीं, उनको नहीं पता कि मुझे ये इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए, उन्होंने तो ब्रांड देख के खरीद लिया. लेकिन द मोमेंट वी स्टार्टेड पुटिंग इन दीज इन्फॉर्मेशन, इन इन्फोर्सिंग की बिना इन्फॉर्मेशन के प्रोडक्ट लाइव ही नहीं जाएगा, द रिटर्न रेट्स ड्रॉप्ड, सेल्स वेर मतलब ऑब्वियसली गेटिंग बेटर. और ये बड़े ब्रांड्स यूज टू सेल आउट इन अ डे. सो एंड एवरी द मर्चेंडाइजर्स वेरी ये कि अभी डालना है अभी डालना है. वी वुड हॉल्ट इट कि जब तक इन्फॉर्मेशन. एंड हमने खुद बैठ बैठ के रात रात भर ऐसे फैब्रिक देख देख के ये कॉटन लग रहा है, ये जॉर्जेट लग रहा है, ये शिफॉन लग रहा है, ये कर करके लिखा है. मेजर टेप ले करके मेजर कर करके कि अच्छा ये लेंथ है कुर्ते की, ये लेंथ है ड्रेस की, दिस इंफॉर्मेशन हैज टू बी डन. So that's one. I think I deviated and went too deep in one of the
That is absolutely
questions. But I think that we started with a different question. Ki why education?
fine. Yes.
Yeah. So why education? एक तो it's a design college. Indian Institute of Art and Design is a design college. It is a very coming from a design college. ये बहुत घर जैसा माहौल है. I loved the space. I fell in love with the space, the people. There was a certain warmth and authenticity that is there in the campus, the place, everyone. So I think the place and everyone in it makes it so authentic and warm and welcoming. And but the digital space, और for that matter सभी कॉलेज, बहुत सारे अदर कॉलेजेस के डिजिटल स्पेस डू नॉट स्पीक ऑफ व्हाट दे एक्चुअली आर.
True that.
मतलब उसको देख के आपको समझ नहीं आएगा कि कॉलेज कैसा है. एंड इन टुडेज स्पेस आप एक्चुअली फिजिकली किसी जगह को विजिट करने के पहले उसके सारी चीज़ें आप देखते हो. आई थिंक टुडे फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम आई टेल यू, मतलब दिस आई हैव नेवर सेड एनीवेयर, कि मैंने ना सिर्फ एक वीडियो देखी थी. सो आई सॉ अ वीडियो while I was contemplating whether I should join IID or not. I saw a video of a faculty talking, Snehanshu Mukherjee, who is the course leader for interior architecture and design at IID, and it was a low quality video. He's just talking about something on interior design. He's addressing the students, I believe. I'm not sure. And I think that is where I made the decision. This is the place I want to be. They are what they are. They are authentic. They are doing some really fabulous job in design education, and that's how IID happened.
I think you worked in craft documentation and heritage storytelling also.
So these
Can you
are
tell me
very,
something more about that?
देखो actually ना ये these are very smaller projects that I've worked on. Of course I am absolutely thrilled and a craft curious person, simply because India has endless number of crafts. I think every day there is a new technique that I learn, or I go back and understand there is something new that is happening. So I've been associated with designers who work on craft, helped build their brand at times, done their bit of storytelling or how in whatever way that I have been able to. But I am also looking forward or working on something that will sort of map the craft journey in India.
Wow.
It is already, I mean, it is there, but it is a little sporadic. कहीं पे कुछ information है, कहीं पे नहीं है. You'll have to look at 10 different videos to understand what's happening. So, craft. Speaking of craft, like this is a Dokra bangle. Dokra, I think, is among the oldest crafts in this country. It is like no two pieces are similar. Even for these two bangles, इन दोनों का डाई अलग बना है. क्योंकि ये बनता कैसे है कि यू मोल्ड बनाओ मिट्टी का एक मोल्ड बना है, उसके ऊपर वैक्स से, ये वाली जैसे आप देख रहे हो ये डिज़ाइन इस तरह से जैसे भी बनी है, ये वैक्स से एक डिज़ाइन बनी है, उसके ऊपर फिर से मिट्टी डाल के उसको शायद, इफ़ आई एम राइट, उसको स्ट्रॉन्ग ये किया जाता है, फिर शायद उसको पका के उसको पक्का हुआ मिट्टी बनाते हैं और उसके बाद उसमें एक होल बना के उसमें मेटल पोर किया जाता है। मेटल जम गया, उसके बाद ऊपर वाली मिट्टी तोड़ी हमने, ये निकल के आया, अब इसके अंदर भी मिट्टी है क्योंकि इसी के ऊपर था, फिर वो मिट्टी भी तोड़ आई मीन ठोक के निकाल दिए, देन यू गेट दिस वन बैंगल। दूसरी वाली बनाने के लिए फिर से वही प्रोसेस करना है।
Wow.
And it is why I say it's probably the oldest, because most probably जब Indus Valley civilization में there is a very famous dancing doll, dancing girl, वो कमर पे हाथ रखने वाली है, which is जो 5000 साल पहले, it is historians have said that probably it is made with the same method of lost wax technique, जिससे डोकरा बनता है। और डोकरा हमारे कंट्री में अलग बहुत, मतलब पूरा थ्रू आउट द कंट्री, छत्तीसगढ़ में भी होता है, उड़ीसा में भी होता है, डाउन साउथ भी अलग अलग जगह होता है, थोड़ा बहुत टेक्निक डिफर करता है, बट स्टिल अ लॉट ऑफ ट्राइब्स डू इट, tribal communities में it's still very prevalent and common. So crafts are endless in this country and such intensive, beautiful, इतना मतलब कर कैसे लेते हैं, it's always astonishing.
Amazing. That kind of surprises me also. So, going on to the same context, do you think that these cultural stories matter even today for the branding stories that you build?
Depends on the brand, लेकिन if you are from this country, I think कुछ stories में तो खुद ब खुद ही weave हो जाता है. For some brands, it is a part of their culture, the way they think, because we belong to the same land. We have certain things brands have intrinsically built in that is culturally rooted. That क्योंकि आर्टिसन काम कर रहा है कहीं ना कहीं ब्रांड्स के साथ में, कहीं ना कहीं ब्रांड्स का कलर्स या कलर पैलेट इज़ इंडियन इन नेचर, इंस्पायर्ड बाय द फ्लोरा फौना ऑफ everything that surrounds us. So you can't, I mean, for an Indian brand, you can't really take out the cultural. सब कुछ ना कुछ तो निकलता ही है. And brand as a brand की कॉफ़ी का मग है, सिर्फ कॉफ़ी का मग बोल के बेचने से ज़्यादा अच्छा याद रहता है कि उसके पीछे कहानी क्या है. What is the story?
True that.
Stories, कहानियाँ याद रह जाती हैं, whatever की कहानी तो वो थी.
Lovely. So let me put you on the spot and ask you a couple of questions around failures and wins. You must have designed several campaigns across your journey with Home Shop 18, Zoe, and other fashion brands that you worked with. Can you give me a few examples specifically where you had a big win and where there was a failure?
Big wins. So it's a learning curve. Like I think I already quoted one example जहाँ पे it's about communication. ऐसा campaign नहीं build करा, लेकिन to understand what the consumer needs, और उसमें it worked out कि returns कम हो गए. So that is a sort of a win कि how you tactfully managed कि भाई हो क्यों रहा है और उसका solution you came up with, चाहे उसमें ज़्यादा मेहनत लगे, whatever. Again, for failures, maybe some again from a fashion new example is और जो अभी भी हो रहा है, like bra sizes in India, women were not used to buying bras or did not have any idea what the size is. Shopkeeper an average size वही होता था. That used to happen in tier 2 cities, tier 1 cities. और बाकी या तो फिर if you're too affluent you would buy it outside in malls. लेकिन साइजिंग फिर भी women were not very sure. अब फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम, मे बी फ्रॉम अ डिज़ाइन, यू कम फ्रॉम मतलब डिज़ाइन कॉलेज से आए हो तो आप भूल गए हो कि एक्चुअली कैसे बाय हो रहा है या लोग कैसे, आपको पता है तो आपको लगता है कि प्रॉब्ली एवरीवन नोज हाउ इट वर्क्स और हाउ व्हाट इज द साइज इज. बट देन तो हम कभी फिगर आउट ही नहीं कर पा रहे थे कि वाई द लॉन्जरी डज नॉट सेल दैट मच. पीपल वॉन्ट टू बाय इट बट डू नॉट. तो बिकॉज दे वर यूज टू हैविंग हेल्प कि कोई बता दे रहा है कि आपको ये साइज आएगा. अब यहाँ ऑनलाइन तो कोई बता नहीं रहा. It took us a very long time to realize कि हमें बताना पड़ेगा कि how to measure your size. So we did one tutorial video, साइज बताएं, ये करें कि साइज कैसे मेजर करना है, और उसके बाद भी देख रहे हैं कि नहीं हो रहा क्योंकि लोगों के पास मेजरिंग टेप शायद घर में नहीं है. Then we started sending out measuring tapes.
Wow.
मेजर करो, साइज लो, फिर खरीदो.
Okay, since you have built so many campaigns, help me understand the difference of building a campaign for an education institution like IIED and what are your non-negotiations?
Okay. We'll come to the non-negotiation part later. Let me just tell you, or we discuss briefly, how is it different from a selling brand. अब मतलब आप या मैं खुद के सोच के देखें, हम कितने कॉलेजेस फॉलो करते हैं वेयर आई हैव नॉट गॉन टू. So I have studied from NEF, you have studied from a college. Do you follow any other college other than your college?
No.
मे बी एट सम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम अगर आपको या हमें मुझे किसी हायर एजुकेशन फॉलो करना था ये, तब शायद कुछ दिनों के लिए फॉलो करा, अगर करते हैं लोग कि चलो मुझे हार्वर्ड जाना है, वट एवर, आई एम जस्ट सेइंग, ऑक्सफर्ड, तो वो कुछ दिन फॉलो कर लिया. लेकिन अगर इफ आई एम नॉट गॉन टू दैट कॉलेज एंड आई मूव टू अ डिफरेंट कॉलेज, आई डू नॉट फॉलो दैट, आई विल अनफॉलो इट द कॉलेज. हावेवर अगर आप एक इन्फ्लुएंसर फॉलो करते हैं या ब्रांड फॉलो करते हैं, यू आर विद देम फॉर अ लॉन्गर जर्नी.
True, true.
राइट. अब आईआईडी का आप सोच लो तो अभी स्टूडेंट स्ट्रेंथ होगी अराउंड 1200, 1000, 1200, टू बड़ा नंबर है ज़्यादा, मतलब चलो 1500 भी मान ले, अभी 1500, और पिछले 10 साल में कितने और निकले होंगे, 3000. टोटल ओवरऑल स्ट्रेंथ मतलब हमने बड़ा बड़ा करके भी मान लिया तो 5000.
ठीक है.
ठीक है. और हमारी फॉलोइंग है 40,000.
Wow.
एंड दिस इज अ फॉलोइंग कि अगर वो आ रहा है कॉलेज, मतलब इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू रिटेन अ फॉलोअर ऑन अ कॉलेज पेज. तो कुछ तो हम सही कर रहे हैं. वी आर वाइबिंग विथ समथिंग दैट जिसका वो कॉलेज नहीं भी शायद है वो भी फॉलो कर रहा है. एंड इट्स अ कर्व, इट्स नॉट लाइक कि आ रहा है और जा रहा है. सो व्हेन आई जॉइंड आईआईडी वी वर एट अ फॉलोइंग ऑफ 7,000 एंड द कॉलेज वाज ऑलरेडी 7 years old. In the last 3 years, we are at more than 40K.
Wow. That is amazing. Goes for a clap.
So, and it has been fun. So, it's not that I'm saying I built the culture of the college. The culture was already there. What I did was project it in a way that was understood by its audience, by people who are interested in design. या देख के लग रहा है हाँ भाई ये कॉलेज कुछ तो अच्छा कर रहा है, वो पता चल रहा है. अच्छा तो वो पहले ही कर रहे थे. We were able to project it.
So I think this is a very important part of storytelling. How you tell that story. So would you like to spare a few moments on what are the key ingredients of storytelling and how it can make or break a brand?
Okay, so for example, it's a college, and very strictly we decided that it's not gonna be a. There were videos or reels that would give you instructions कि डिज़ाइन में ये ग्राफिक डिज़ाइन सॉफ्टवेयर में ये टूल्स हैं, ये आप अचीव कर लोगे, विच यूज टू वर्क वेरी वेल. मतलब उसके फॉलोअर्स और उसकी लाइक्स व्यूज़ बहुत ज़्यादा होते थे. बट वी डिसाइडेड दिस इज ट्यूटोरियल वीडियोज एज अ कॉलेज इज समथिंग दैट वी विल नॉट डू. बिकॉज हम कॉलेज है, हम तो वाइब बताना चाह रहे हैं ना, इट्स अ स्टूडेंट ये. सो we've done where faculty have given little nuggets, they have worked well, but it's more about the campus. यहाँ सब कुछ हो रहा है. Faculty is also having fun, students are having fun, they are talking, interacting, intellectual debates. So it is a digital campus that we built.
Wow.
जहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स भी कुछ ये कर रहे हैं, वो भी अपने दे कम अप विद देयर क्वर्क्स ऑन द पेज. Faculty, like a very recent campaign that did fabulously well was we picked up all the gray haired faculty and made them own Gen Z slangs and saying it as they own it. So so there are these 60-year-old faculty and very coolly saying this is not vibing, this is not hello pookies. So, and that is the vibe of the college. You come, you interact, you sit around, you learn, talk. बस we try doing it कि college कि कैसा एक्चुअल में होता है वो आप उसको ऑनलाइन भी फील कर सको. एंड व्हेन यू गो विद दैट फीलिंग, आई थिंक आइडियाज कम. योर स्टोरी ऑटोमेटिकली स्टार्ट्स टेकिंग शेप. सो वाइल एक तो सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स में थोड़ा बहुत डिफरेंस तो होता ही है सभी प्लेटफॉर्म्स का, कि इंस्टा का एक स्टोरी टेलिंग करने का तरीका अलग है, यूट्यूब का तरीका एक अलग होगा. व्हेन यू आर सेइंग अ स्टोरी ऑन लिंक्डइन इट विल बी अ लिटिल डिफरेंट. But more or less, in today's world, you have to be authentic. Your story has to be authentic. It has to come from heart. Fakeness, ऊपर की लीपा पोती does not work. That smoke screen will vanish. So be as authentic as possible. Next is, it should add some value. Value addition. कुछ तो या तो I am happy, entertained, or I get to learn something new. मज़ा आना चाहिए. स्टोरी, योर स्टोरी इज कंप्लीट ओवर देयर. A story should not be left unfinished. Unfinished है तो I go home in that 30 seconds that I watched a reel, मतलब कुछ तो था, नहीं आया, unsatisfactory emotion के साथ you leave. That should not happen. Your story should not leave your viewer unsatisfactory. I do not do personally parts कि look at this in the part 2 और समथिंग लाइक दैट. क्योंकि आई नो एक तो मेरा व्यूअर जो है, इट इज़ दे आर मेकिंग एन एफर्ट टू बी हियर. वो वहीं पे उसकी कहानी ख़त्म होनी चाहिए, उसको कंप्लीशन फील होना चाहिए. दैट इज़ एक्सट्रीमली इंपॉर्टेंट. फॉर सम प्लेटफॉर्म्स इट मे पार्ट 1 पार्ट 2 वर्क्स, बट I think for brands it does not work at times, and definitely not for an education platform where there is always fresh consumer.
Okay, so if I sum it up, the 3 points to your storytelling technique: one is
Authenticity.
Second is
It should be complete.
complete.
You should complete
There
your
was one
story.
more thing.
And value addition.
Okay, so I'll repeat.
So we'll again do it. So storytelling should have 3 things. First is authenticity. Value addition. So either I'm adding some informational value or entertainment value to the consumer's life. And third, it should not be incomplete. Though 30 seconds, 40 seconds, whatever it is, should be a complete set.
Lovely, lovely. So the next question is kind of debatable. You may have your views, I would have mine, but let us discuss about the debate between the real storytelling and the storytelling that is happening on the platforms like Instagram. Because the platforms like LinkedIn or platforms like YouTube, the storytelling is a very different ball game. But if we consider only Instagram for the context, I would like to know your views.
So you're saying social media versus storytelling.
Yes.
Versus, so I don't feel it is versus, because I think social media is in very hand in hand, एकदम conjoined, married to storytelling. मतलब कहानी नहीं है तो सोशल मीडिया नहीं है, सोशल मीडिया नहीं है तो कहानी नहीं है. कहानियाँ वो लंबी होती थी. The only thing that has changed over is the stories that were long, now they are shorter. But there is a story. Storytelling, social media has to have storytelling. It has to have a story. A brand has to have a story. How do I connect with a brand that is just visuals? I think the classes that I take for social media for some batches and students, the most important thing that I tell them is that social media is not the place where you put the glossy images only. It wants more. It is a platform that is, उसको चाहिए कि तुमने कितना उसके पीछे गलत करा है, कितनी मतलब शूट करते करते कॉफ़ी गिरी कितनी बार है, और कौन पीछे से हवा लगा रहा था. दैट इज़ वेयर यू गेट योर कंज्यूमर कि हाँ इस शूट में ये हो रहा था इसके पीछे. सिर्फ फाइनल एकदम ग्लॉसी शूट लगाने से चलता नहीं. इट डजंट वर्क. सोशल मीडिया को ये भी जानना है कि व्हाट वाज द प्रेप दैट यू डिड, सही कैसे हुआ, गलत कैसे हुआ, क्या क्या उसके पीछे का, मतलब दैट इज़ वाई द BTS, बिहाइंड द सीन्स, इज एक्सट्रीमली इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर सोशल मीडिया.
True that. So help me understand one very pressing question is a lot of designers, if I say graphic designers for that matter, they try to move away from designing for the social media. And that's where I feel that social media is not taken with the view that you have just mentioned. Is it's the storyboard that you create for a brand through images, through reels and all. So my question is, a lot of times students specifically, they move away from, oh, social media design, I don't want to get into, because there is nothing creative. Whereas that is the biggest creative platform, what I believe, that where you can tell the real story. Do you agree with that?
Yeah, I absolutely agree with it. Maybe it's not only the students, it is because we have, as an educator, maybe we haven't graduated towards teaching of a storytelling. वो ना क्योंकि शायद एक format में कि you build a brand logo, build a brand, do so we
Yes.
the education maybe is in that sphere कि सीखा वही है तो लगता है कि ये तो छोटा काम है सोशल मीडिया
वही वो छोटा काम समझते हैं उसको.
लेकिन and also at times it becomes very challenging if you are sticking to graphic design क्योंकि मीडियम धीरे धीरे या has evolved eventually extremely fast to a very video format तो वहाँ पे एज जस्ट अ ग्राफिक डिज़ाइनर जो कि सिर्फ स्टैटिक करता है उसके लिए थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है how do it's not that it's not doable, it's not that static posts are not doing well in 3 years ago I think Instagram came up with their reel format and it picked up and now everyone's just on reel. Before that it was a more visual format, visual board. लेकिन आफ्टर दीज 3 years वही है ना एक हाई पे था रील्स वीडियोस एंड दैट इज द रीजन आई बिलीव द ग्राफिक डिजाइनर्स गॉट अ लिटिल डिसहार्टेंड कि हम क्या करें रील तो चलती है वट एवर पोस्ट दैट वी डू इज नॉट प्रॉब्ली वर्किंग तो दे स्टार्टेड सेइंग कि तो क्या करें इसमें नहीं करते लेकिन नाउ अगेन द मीडियम इटसेल्फ इज इवॉल्विंग रील कर लिया नाउ in today's time Instagram is promoting static posts. The information or the storytelling styles have evolved कि वो ग्राफ so posts में भी 10 पोस्ट का ऑप्शन 10 एक कैरोसेल में 10 पोस्ट का ऑप्शन था they have also increased it कि आप लंबी कहानी बोलो so it evolves वो 2-3 साल का ये था I'm sure graphic designers will also understand you cannot escape social media.
That's true. Because I think every brand, every
have
institution, they all are eventually being discovered through social media. Be it LinkedIn, be Instagram or YouTube, whatever you take it.
I mean, you look at our shopping patterns. I'll look for a something, whatever. If I want to buy a bag and all that, I'll look for it on Google. I find a brand. I'll go to its social media pages. अगर YouTube page है तो I'll also go to the YouTube page. Social media में भी I will not go to. I mean, I'll see the ads या जो भी चल रहा है थोड़ा shoot woot. Then I'll see अगर किसी और ने खरीदा है या कोई और actually उसको बैग को लेके घूम रहा है तो मुझे एग्जैक्ट पता चलता है कि वो एवरीडे लाइफ में या मेरे ऊपर कैसा लगेगा या व्हेन आई एम कैरिंग इट हाउ विल इट लुक विच इज़ अपार्ट फ्रॉम द फोटोशूट और उसके बिना आई डोंट मेक अ बाइंग चॉइस और अ परचेज वाला जो डिसीजन है विदाउट विजिटिंग अ सोशल मीडिया पेज आई डू नॉट बाय समथिंग एंड आई थिंक इवेंचुअली हर किसी के साथ ही वैसा होते जा रहा है धीरे धीरे.
True that. Now let me ask you a few questions that would relate to your personal side of the story. Like Asha, as a leader in the communication design space, right? You have been as a head of the department for a very long time. You have shaped up communication of an organization quite drastically. How, as a leader, you have felt? What are your thoughts as a woman leader in the space?
So the way my style of working or doing things is I do not lay out that this thing should happen this way. It's always a dialogue, it's always a conversation. At times, even if I know okay, I am sure I have weighed it from all angles and what I'm thinking is right, I still open the floor for my team and ठीक है, you बताओ, you say. Sometimes they will also tell me something, you know, this should not be executed this way, it should happen that way. And then we have a debate ki why to support my points and they support their points. And also that idea, in this process, the idea becomes stronger. मतलब उसमें लूप होल्स नहीं बचते हैं. अगर मैंने शायद कोई पॉइंट नहीं सोचा हो, वो उस कॉम्बैट में समझ में आ जाता है. एंड ऑल्सो बिल्ड्स अ टीम. They trust me. They will not, I mean, a team will not falter if they get a new idea कि no, आशा के पास लेके जाओ, and probably she'll not even listen to it. That does not happen. Because they know कि हाँ वो चलेगा. And if Asha has said something does not mean that it has to be blindly followed.
So there is openness of
There
views.
is always there. That is always there. That there is adaptability, there is fluidity. And that is how an idea is stronger. An idea cannot be one person's viewpoint.
True. That's absolutely
And that's something that has to go out.
wonderful. So has your identity changed or influenced the brand narrative that you made?
My personality changed.
Yes. Like, let's say, let me give you an example. So as a woman leader, there must be some biases, there must be some influences. Has it influenced any of your brand narrative decisions?
As a woman influencer, okay, I would not like to believe that the gender is influential in the visuals of a campaign or brands. But I think even if I don't believe, there are certain things that you like, I mean, you see it or not, that is there.
That is there. Would you like to elaborate on that?
Certainly, I maybe storytelling, or why we kept on saying about storytelling on emotion-driven content, and that is very true and authentic for social media. But I think that is, of course, as a woman, I think it comes more naturally that you tend towards emotional storytelling. I think for men, it takes another effort. My assumption, I might be wrong in it.
No, you're absolutely
So
right.
it is.
But many men don't agree to it. They don't accept it.
So I think it comes naturally. So it is easier for women to do these things. That is my assumption.
Lovely. Any last piece of advice to these designers, especially people who want to get into this brand communication space? Any specific advice?
I think you should read, learn, be contextually aware. As a communication person, you cannot remain ignorant. What is happening around you is something that you should always know, because that is how you marry a brand to its potential. Maybe potential buyer, maybe potential amplifier. So every trend or everything does not work for a brand. So तुमको पता होना चाहिए ये music video चल रहा है, ये this is happening, this event is happening right now, a particular style of design, trend, cottagecore, Ghibli, whatever, all these trend terms. What is happening? What is it? मतलब superficial knowledge के अलावा you should have a little bit of in-depth knowledge, so that you can marry that. You are the matchmaker. You can marry the brand to its collaborator in the best possible way. Every influencer, every collaborator will not work for every brand.
So does that mean riding the trending horse?
Riding, I would not like to say riding. Being contextually aware
Okay.
of your surrounding.
Wonderful.
Always.
So let's come to the most important piece of our conversation, which is the rapid fire round. I will be asking you a couple of questions.
Where is that hamper? There should have been a rapid fire should be accompanied by hamper. Though I'm sure I'll lose it, but there should have been a hamper.
No. The only point here is you are not supposed to think at all. Straight away come to the answer. So shall I begin?
Okay.
Lovely. A campaign you wish to work for?
There was this Tanmay Bhatka campaign that he did with Rahul Dravid. Some Bangalore street ka naam, मैं यहाँ का गुंडा हूँ गुंडा. And Rahul Dravid, as you know, he is the most calmest person.
Cred.
हाँ, and picked up Rahul Dravid to say that मैं यहाँ का Indirapuram का गुंडा or something. And he's the most calmest person throughout his career and all that. So that is a very interesting campaign. I really love that campaign. So maybe I would have loved to be a part of that campaign.
Lovely. One underrated platform for storytelling?
LinkedIn, definitely.
Your go-to place for inspiration?
Web series.
Craft, content, or culture. You can only choose one.
Culture.
Lovely.
Because that brings craft and content together.
Absolutely. One person you would love to interview on a podcast.
Sujata and Tanya from Suta.
Lovely. Perfect. It was such a pleasure to have you here. And I would love to have you again to have a more lengthier discussion about, because storytelling is not so
It's
limited that
can-
we can confine it into a few minutes or maybe an hour. It's a lengthier discussion. So I'm hoping for a different conversation next time. Thank you for being here.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching it till the end. I hope you liked it and it added value. Please like, share, and subscribe. And do let me know if you want to explore any other career.